To improve the quality life of people and enhance the satisfaction levels of consumers, the Government of India and Manipur government jointly initiates a scheme on availability of reliable, quality and affordable 24/7 power meters for all. A report.
By implementing a novel idea in 2014, the state of Manipur has now finally witnessed a change in the power sector by delivering quality and reliable power supply with the help of the new prepaid power facility. The installation of about 2.2 lakh prepaid electronic energy meters is providing 2.40 lakh consumers of the Imphal Valley with sufficient electricity. After the introduction of prepaid meters, the state revenue collection has reached Rs 20 crores, which is a significant rise from Rs 2 crore. This new system of power supply has also resulted in the detection of unauthorized consumers and ensured spot collection of revenue. With this exercise now completed, the MSP-DCL has decided to recover outstanding dues from prepaid consumers. The total number of electricity consumed in the state is 2,80,783, including 2,64,101 domestic consumers.
Due to the lack of this one infrastructure and RECO energy, this one revenue recovery mechanism, we were running in losses. And then we took the novel idea of providing prepaid meter in the sense because it does not have all the this one problem associated with the meter reading, bill distribution, bill preparation, accuracy of the meter, etc. In short, actually human element involvement was completely minimized. There is one aspect, and the billing is 100% and the collection is also 100%.
At present, out of a total installed capacity of 2054 megawatts in the northeastern region, 182 megawatts is currently being allocated to Manipur. Of this, 99 megawatt are allocated to hydel projects and 83 megawatt to thermal projects. The Union Ministry of Power has launched the Integrated Power Development Scheme or IPDS, which aims at achieving the targeted AT&C aggregate technical and commercial loss reduction trajectory and providing 24/7 power to all states in the country. The scheme will enhance strengthening of the sub-transmission and distribution system, including provisioning of solar panels, metering of distribution transformers, feeders, consumers in the urban areas, and IT enablement of distribution sector. As per Census 2011, 28 towns of Manipur are eligible under IPDS. However, MSP-DCL has considered 12 towns only, and detailed project report or DPRS for the 12 towns that includes Imphal, Lemseng, Wangoi, Wangjing, Yaripok, Sugnu, Herok, Jiribam, Tamenglong, Ukrul, Kampokpi, and Sekmai.
Right now, as we have mentioned earlier also, right now we are targeting district headquarters, high consumption area, town, and where there is a concentration of consumer, not in the remote area, where far-flung area. In this area, you have a mobile signal. Though you don't have internet, like I said before, we have an M-Paisa which is coming up. He or she will be able to recharge through the SMS only. You don't need internet connection.
Before, lots of consumption was there, I think, but no revenue is coming up. It's just because of the theft of power. Nowadays, people also realize that it's better to get power rather than theft, so that all people can enjoy. And on top of that, people are also using LED lights and all, so consumption are much, lower nowadays.
Such efforts in bringing uninterrupted quality power to each household, industry, commercial business, small and medium enterprises and establishment, any other public needs, and adequate power to agriculture consumer brings a smile to the face of the people and results a satisfactory consumer. It also builds a sense of responsibility of the people and attains a greater care towards environment.